Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create glass break uh, transition effect in CapCut for PC. So you can add your photos or videos. So let's set it, for example. So you can go to transition and trending. You can find glass break. So this is new effect, a new transition effect from CapCut, and this is Pro effect. You have to change properties to be able to use this effect, and after you download it, just add to the track, and you can adjust for duration right here, and you can apply to all the clips and see final result. Alright. You can combine with the effect. So just find the effect and select the effect you like. For example, so see the final effect you have on your video. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.